Hello friends. Welcome to Tech Community. I want to make serial numbers, starting with characters JBN. Like JBN 000001 to JBN 050000. For that normally we can do like this. But if it is more than 100 or 50,000 lines, it is very difficult. The easy way for making serial number is using Fill Series option. Go to Home tab, then click Fill. We can fill series in rows or columns. We can use step values for increment serial number and put stop value. First we need to join columns B and C, then add 6 zeros, using text formula like this. Click cell D2 and join B2 and C2. Then serial number coming like this. But I need to add 6 zeros also before serial number. For that, use text formula. In D2 cell type, equal to, then type text, open bracket, then select C2 cell, then comma, enter 2 zeros, in between quotation marks, then close bracket. Then data coming like this. Try again this same with 3 zeros and 6 zeros. Then join this formula with cell B2. Then serial number coming like, join with character JBN and 6 zeros before serial number. For make serial number type 1 in C2 cell and click pointer in same cell. Then go to Fill option in Home tab and select Series option. Then enter step value as 1 and stop value 100, then click OK. I forget to select columns as series in option. Again go to Fill option and select columns in series in option, enter 100 in stop value and click OK button. Then the serial numbers showing like this in columns. Change the stop value as 50,000 and try again. We will get the serial numbers till 50,000. Autofill column B and column D. Then we will get serial number from JBN 000001 to JBN 050000. We can use this serial number as a template for Scratch and Win or any other purpose. Please support our community. Thank you.